Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a family member to Amazon Music. So actually guys, first you will need to open settings. So just go ahead, click on the profile icon that's located at the top right corner as you can see, and then just go with my profile. So here at first you will need to upgrade your Amazon to the family plan, alright, and then just go ahead here on your profile and you will find an option. It says invite or remove family members. So just tap it and then tap invite member, then just enter their email address on a blank and tap send invite. So now you will need to tell the person to open the email invitation and sign in to their Amazon account and then tap on accept invitation. So once accepted, they are added to your plan. So you can add up to 6 people in total at the family plan, and each person must have their own Amazon account and must be in the same country as you. So they must accept within a few days or you resend again. So once they accept, here is how to check. Okay, so you will need just to go back to the profile or my profile, and here you will need to tap on an option. It says manage family members, so you should see their names listed right here. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.